Are your restaurant floors constantly giving you trouble? Spills, grease, heavy traffic, cleaning chemicals, and endless wear? It's one of the biggest challenges owners face. So here's the question. What's the smartest floor for a restaurant? I'm Tom, president of Customcrete Industrial Services. Since 2007, we've been installing high-performance flooring systems in restaurants across Chicago and beyond. Today, I'll share 6 reasons why polished concrete is one of the best investments you can make in your restaurant. First, durability. Polished concrete stands up to non-stop traffic, dropped items, and long service hours. It doesn't peel, chip, or wear out like coatings or tile. Second, ease of cleaning. Polished concrete is seamless. That means no grout lines or joints where grease, food, or bacteria can hide. Daily mopping and sanitizing are faster, easier, and more effective. Third, safety. Many owners ask, is polished concrete slippery? With the right finish, it actually provides excellent slip resistance, meeting safety standards while still looking polished and professional. Fourth, cost effectiveness. Compared to vinyl or tile, polished concrete costs less over its lifetime. You avoid constant repairs, coating reapplications, or expensive replacements. The concrete itself is the finished floor. Fifth, low maintenance. No waxing, no stripping, no harsh cleaners. Just simple cleaning and occasional repolishing to keep it looking new. And sixth, sustainability. Polished concrete uses your existing concrete and avoids coatings. That makes it a greener, longer lasting solution for your business. We've seen restaurant owners cut maintenance costs, improve safety, and elevate the look of their space by switching to polished concrete. It's durable, easy to clean, safe, cost-effective, low maintenance, and eco-friendly. If you're considering new flooring, polished concrete may be the smartest choice for your restaurant. Request a free quote and we'll help you create a floor you can rely on for years to come.